to sips right now.
I think I see cat stacks, bro. I'm telling you.
That is not no cat stats, bro.
Cat stacks. Working at the West neighborhood. Ooh, girl, you look like cat stacks.
Oh my.
You look just like cat stacks.
You don't know who cat stats is?
Girl.
Not at all.
No.
You never heard of cat stats? Was stats cat?
Cat that cat.
Do you?
Huh?
It's a good thing. She pretty.
Yeah.
You just look really like her.
Yeah.
We need a room.
And I left my charger here last time. You left your charger? What room were you in? What was it? What, a month ago?
Yeah, like a month ago.
Cat stacks, bro.